accept ukuthi unenkinga yabona, because once you have suicidal thoughts la nawo ubona khona ukuthi yabona la akusahambi kahle, you have to get help yabona. So steps sokuqala kuvuma ukuthi inkinga ikhona before you can get help. And nalokuthi nyalo I can't walk, saying ngiyawabuka lama walk due to operation lenginayo. So wangi-advise ukuthi kunokuthi uhlale ekhaya, why ungahlali ku-Water Point, because vele angisho remember leyo lo fellow cast, so uthi kutosebenza while uthi kuto-enjoya and utishile wena. So why don't you join i-Water Point? That's when ke nga-decide ukuthi you know what, ma-walking tour attender angeke ngiwaluze. And into lenye futhi lebe ngichaza, or the time ujoin lo fellow cast, I was staying a Lydenburg.
Oh yes.
Every Friday I had to make sure ukuthi ngita ekhaya ngito attenda i-walk yemalo fellow cast. So i-addictive ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi if ngabe ungaka attend ufila ngathi kunento le wrong lo yendile. So yeah,
kahle kahle i-drugs,
exactly, drug lamahala lengeke ulithole noma ngabe ngikuphi,
lengeke nje lize likuphathe nakabi.
exactly.
Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya, this is a host with the most, Ntswaki Dlamini. Today I'm podcasting live at Funry Park Swimming Pool. Namuhla ngilandzela Father Baker. Uzothatha usitshela kahle ngejourney yakhe yakalo fellow cast. So hlala phasi uthini ne, ulandze mandi, i-juice, i-coffee, njengoba nje i-weather niyibona. Don't scroll those gadgets. Thank you. Bengishilo babukeli bami emakhaya ukuthi ngiyolanza uFather Baker lo gcotshwe angasikudala nge-Easter. Ubeke kanjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Nami ngiyaphila.
Qala utshele babukeli bami emakhaya ukuthi Father Baker ngubani, wakabani, ubhizi ngani, ijourney yakhe yokugcotshwa beyinini, ihambe njani futhi.
Ngibingelela onke malo fellow cast labukela our podcast today. Ugama ngibonga Inhlanhla ngwaKantombela, ngadiwa ngaBaker. I'm a father of 2, ngihlala eLikazi. I'm representing team Likazi. Ngisebenza eMetropolitan as a financial advisor. So malo fellow cast la nemali la ngathi ukuthi imali yabo kufanele bayisebenzise njani, abathi Father Baker ngala akhona ukubahlelela imali yabo, akhona ukwazi ukuthi okay imali yabo isebenza njani. And sibhizi ngema-funeral policy, educational policy, to mention a few. And njengoba usho ukuthi ngiceda ukugcotshwa, ngigcotshwe nyalo ngema-Easter. So my spiritual journey, it wasn't easy. Benginyukela kakhulu, nami bengithola ngikubalekela, but I decided ukuthi it's time ukuthi nami ngithathe the calling ngiqhubeke nayo, nginema-souls langathi alahlekile ukuthi abuye ku-kingdom of God. Ezingadi ukuthi nemalo fellow cast sihlangene with different cultures and sibelivele entweni leti hlukahlukene, kodwa siseva one God.
Le financial advisor ngathi ngimi customer iqala, igumbi client ekuqala. Ngoba ngathola simadlane nje ngicabanga kudla.
Buya kutokubhalela ibudget ukuthi noma uthenga kudla lokungakanani khona kusala nemasenti.
Okay.
Yeah, because the aim is to save.
Ngisele na 30 rand.
Lo 30 rand utwenza something. Sitomfaka ngale ku-education.
Futhi ngicela ukuthi wayijoyina nini lo fellow cast, wayiva ngabani?
Okay, ilo fellow cast ngijoyine 2023. Ngive ngaNtokozo Sambo.
Oh,
Actually Ntokozo is the one that I came with kuwalk yami yokuqala, but since high school ngifunze naye Joseph or Mr. Mashaba, but mina ngimpita ngamJoe.
oh, okay,
Sele
okay.
grade 12, so bengihlale nje ngicommunicate naye as a friend, uyabona. So uqalele journey yakhe like lokuhamba from Matsulu to different locations, so ngihlale ngimbukela into letinjalo. So I decided ukuthi hayi nami ngiyafuna man kumjoyina, but isikhathi bengide, uyabona. So I had a mental breakdown 2023 ngo-February. I was admitted Akeso. So on the day laba ngi-admitha ngalo ngahlangana naye Mr. Mashaba. Uma ngihlangana naye Mr. Mashaba, cause benginemahloni kumtshela ukuthi ngiyowendani lapha, yabo. Ngamtshela ukuthi indoda ngide kutobona someone ngimvakashele, yabo. So okay, ekuhlaleni kwami laphana ne, uma the more ngibona the psychologist yami, at the back of my mind ukuthi hayi man, uma ngiphuma la kufanele ngijoyine Mashaba man, lento la yendako into lehle, uyabona. At least nami imcondo wami utongikhipha kule tinto lebetingihlupha, uyabona. So first thing vele uma ngiphuma ngave ngathi no, I am already a member eMalofelo Cars. Yes. Then Ntokozo vele I was the one wathi mngani angushiyi asami.
Every Saturday is lapha.
Exactly.
Hayi ngiyabonga Bheka. Muntu lo nale nakuyibeka lo nale lo bhekane nalesimo lo naso. Ungam advise athini?
Hey, first step to recovery, to accept ukuthi unenkinga, yabona. Because once you have suicidal thoughts, la na ubona khona ukuthi yabona la akusahambi kahle. You have to get help, yabona. So steps sokuqala kuvuma ukuthi inkinga ikhona before you can get help.
Okay. I-purpose yakho yokujoyina i-Lofels bekuyini?
Okay, purpose yami it was kuti healer mina kulento lebengihlupha, because I know ukuthi if ngabe ngilana ngitokhohlwa ngako konke, because ngikhumbula the first time ngifika, okay ngifike naNtokozo ne thinking ukuthi la kuwalk ngitohamba naNtokozo, yabona. But ku-change after i-prayer sesitohamba, I met so many people that I knew but didn't know ukuthi they are part of Lofelo Workers, and I met few new people la bebakhona laphana. So talking to them ungabona different cultural backgrounds, you share so many ideas, you share so many stories, uyabona. So lokho bekungikhipha kulomqondo lo ungenise i-Akeso, uyabona. So it was a healing process, or bekuyi-Akeso yami ngalana from i-Akeso lenye lekhulu
Le free.
yes, le free lengayibhadalile.
Okay, like haya Lofelo Cars nemawokho lahlukahlukene, bo mental health, HIV and AIDS, ngiyiphi wena lekuthinzako enhlitweni?
Ngile mental health, because ikhonile kungihila in a certain way. I think I made a right decision join Lofelo Cars. I think I made a right decision ukuthi ngibe a part of this group, because I don't think ukuthi if ngabe bengayisi part of Lofelo Cars bengingakhona beketelana le situation le bengikuyo before, because bengiyosolo lokhu ngicabanga ngalento ibhizi ingihla. But the more I attend the walks, it's the more nami ngihileka, the more meet different people, it's the more ngihileka. Because ngikhumbula ngifika ne, because Mr. Mashaba I think uneliso lokubona ukuthi lo joinako une potential yokwenda something kuthini letokukhipha busy, uyabona. Because ngikhumbula ngifika bekude i-register, uyabona. Wangitaska with other team members ukuthi sibe in charge ye-register. So nako lokho ukuthi during the week kufanele ngiprint ama-register, kufanele ngitype, uya-understand kukwena nawe ube motivated ukuthi hayi Saturday ngiyobona different people while ngisebenza on the other hand, uya-understand. So nako lokho kungimotivatile kakhulu, and nalokuthi nyalo I can't walk, sengiyawabuka lama-walk due to i-operation lenginayo. So wangi-advise ukuthi kunokuthi uhlale ekhaya, why ungahlali ku-Water Point, cause vele angisho remember lo fellow cast, so ude kutosebenza while ude kuto-enjoya and utishile wena. So why don't you join i-Water Point? That's when ke nga-decide ukuthi you know what, ma-walking tour attender angeke ngiwaluze. And into lenye futhi lebe ngichaza, or the time ngijoyine lo fellow cast, I was staying Lydenburg.
Oh yes.
Every Friday I had to make sure ukuthi ngita ekhaya ngito attenda i-walk yemalo fellow cast. So i-addictive ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi if ngabe ungaka attend ufila ngathi kunento le wrong lo yendile. So yeah,
kahle kahle i-drugs.
Exactly, drug lamahala lengeke ulithole noma ngabe ngikuphi.
Lengeke nje lize likuphathe nakabi.
Exactly.
Njengoba nivile babukeli bemakhaya ukuthi kalo field workers awuteli kuto benefita ukuthi ube nemtimba lomuhle or nje ne mental health yakho iyaba right njengoba ni move Father Baker lana. Okay, Father Baker, kalo field workers sinema desk lahlukahlukene, ngiyathi wena u desk spirituality and wellness.
Okay.
Yini lungasitshela ngayo ngabani ngale desk leyo, yini leniyendako, yini lenifisa kuyi-achieve, lenibona ngazuthi niyalekha kuyo?
Okay, as someone who ngali kuleli desk le spiritual and wellness, thina sidila with prayer kakhulu. Into abantu labangayinotice ethimini ukuthi each and every day or each and every Saturday morning we pray for my works ethu. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu asigcine, asiguide, sibe safe emgwaqweni. That's the main purpose. Number 2, kum-inviter ukuthi asivikele in everything leyendekako, because silwa netimbi lesingathi understand ukuthi tibuya kuphi, we understand only to find ukuthi bantu bakulwisa angathi usibeke njani yathi, because emotional ngalenye indlela, but into lengayisho i1 ukuthi sithandazela i-team, and nalokuthi if ngabe there's a member logulako sihambe siyomvusela simkhombise lithando, because we are all about lithando like lo fellow cast, because the more simfonela, the more simvakashela, the more naye khona lokuphila masinyana abe nelithemba ukuthi hayi into sheshe ngiphole. So injongo yali desk leli ngileyo ukuthi sithandazele i-team, sibone everyone spiritually happy, amukelekile kuNkulunkulu, and futhi ayathi injongo yakhe ukuthi kahle kahle uyaphi naNkulunkulu, ubuyaphi naNkulunkulu, i-purpose yakhe ku-life ngiphi, uyabona, because lokho sikwenta kakhulu kuma one-on-one if ngabe sikuvakashele esibhedlela. That's where we connect kakhulu, because if sethimini asikhoni lokucoca kahle, but if ngabe lethe sesiya kuyokuvakashela or sikufonela, sikumotivate, share the verses, share umthandazo, uyabona. So nawe spiritually, uyabona, if ngabe ungaka connect naNkulunkulu, you end up connecting nabani naNkulunkulu, because I believe ukuthi sonke singukukhanya njengoba uNkulunkulu athi ungukukhanya, uyabona. So we are there ukuthi sitokhanyisana, uyabona. Fane emakhandlela if ngabe lethi ikhandlela selicimile, I know ukuthi lapho uma selicimile lami liyakhanya, uyabuya siyaconnect, uyabona. It's all about that.
Lisita kakhulu leli desk leli, because sathane la kunebantu khona labaningi utinike amandla, so kubalekile ukuthi nje sithandaze before i-walk yethu. But Baker, sinenkonzo yokupha ngalo field workers, kunelikhaya lesili adoptile e-Y3 la sihle khona anything lonayo uyahamba uyodonate khona. Uthini ngale nkonzo leyo?
Le nkonzo ibaluleke kakhulu, and thina we are not just a walking team, we are a family, and ifamily iyabhekelelana, and ifamily iyazama kuthatha tibi tasekhaya itifihle emuva. So I think ukuthi kupha kubalulekile because nathi the more sipha is the more tindlela tethu tivuleka. That's why whenever la sihamba khona sithi siyabhokota nge-stubborn faith, because we believe ukuthi laba tothi khona no thina sithi yes. Yeah, understand. So kubalulekile ukuthi siphe, and I think ukuthi nathi sitivulela tinhlanhla tethu ngiyo lenzaba each and every day or each and every week siyakhula. We gain so many members abajoyini just because si-family, bajoyina because we are a positive instrument emphakathini netinto letihle lesitendako, not just nje ukuthi sivuke ekuseni siyahamba siyowoka. We understand. Siyawoka fine, siyayiluza i-weight, but lokusalako we are gaining so many things. Uyabona, so nako lokupha ngibona kubaluleke kakhulu because nathi kusivulela tinhlanhla tethu.
Yes. Niyabona ababukeli bami emakhaya, this is not just a walking team, singumndeni konke yayenteka lapha ekhaya. Nje last week besine-braai, ningathi siyabhora sibhori thina, siyi-finest walking team la eMpumalanga. Yebo. Sine i-long walk. Unfortunately this year angeke ize ibe khona because of unforeseen circumstances. Yes. Yes, but then ungathi nge-long walk yini, because i-purpose yayo ukuthi si-unite ma-African countries. Ubone eyayenteka lento leyo?
Ngibona iyenteka because sikhona lesifisayo ukuvakasha ngale lamanye amave, but asinayo imali. Yabo, number one, mahala man, uyasave.
Yeah, so ngithi mina kumnanzi la.
We understand.
Ngadweni uhleli
Number
leni.
two, sikhona lesisingile or bakhona labasingile or ngibeke kahle, angeke ngithi ngikhona lesisingile, ayitheke ngoba tongishaya. Bakhona labafuna imishado. Uyabona? So from causing ngisho ngathi we are from different cultural backgrounds. Nje lokuvakasha ngale thola umshado.
Yebo.
Uyabona, sibona tindzawo leti ahlukahlukene. Nathi as ma fellow cars siyabona leti ndzawo ne, nathi we can even invest. You understand, in a way lokuthi sigcine sithenga ama-chalet, ukuthi sigcine uma siya ngalena we own the place.
Yes.
We don't need to pay.
Yes.
Uyabona? So kona kuyasinceda in a way ukuthi sakhe lobu budlelwano. Uyabona, sathi the cultural background ukuthi baphila njani. Uyabona, sifunza into letiningi.
500 kilometers is not a child's play. Yini longayitshela ma-Lowveld, yini longayitshela ma-Lowveld workers ukuthi singathi prepare njani esingisi bakwethu, singathi prepare njani thina ma-Lowveld workers ukuthi siyobukana lo 500 kilometers.
Sicala la mentally ukuthi utitshele ukuthi yabona it's not 500 kilometers but it's 50 kilometers.
Yes.
Uyabona, singacala siyibambe njalo asitofiki. Number two, nalokuthi singastopi lokuvuka sithi simele isaturday ukuthi siyowoka. Nawe tifundzise ukuthi a day uma uvuka about 20-30 km uyahamba. Uyabona, uyaprepare ukuze ukuthi ama-cramps angakubambi njalo njalo. So then number three, uthole a supporter.
Yes.
You understand? Thole someone that will believe in you. Yabona, ukuthi noma ngabe uthi ufuna give up, akutshele kahle ukuthi hey khumbula ukuthi
Uyeleni lapha.
You understand? So I think lokho kutokuboosta i-confidence yakho ukuthi noma uhamba wadi ukuthi uhambelani. Just like ngifunze something man, Comrades Marathon. I thought ukuthi bantu bayingenela for ukuthi bafuna le mali. Kanti it's for different reasons.
Yes.
Like my cousin, we enter research just because we have not proposal. yabo. The aim was to show ukuthi the more ahamba la estradini lama challenges utokhona kumelana nawo before i-marriage. You understand? So nathi sinaba na that mentality yokuthi le walk ngingenela for this thing. Yeah, understand, because naye noma ngabe bayalo utokhumbula ukuthi kule 500 kilometers lesikhathi inemvula bathi gibele ebhasini ngithe next ngifuna kucetha le 50k selanga, uyabona utokhona kubeketela, uyabona. So ngiyibona njalo mina.
Okay, babukeli babemakhaya, niyayiva ke indzaba ye long walk njengoba bengishilo ukuthi this year ayikho ke, sithembe ukuthi next year itobe khona, mara mina bese ngitilungiselele bese ngiready. Ngaze ngaphoxeka mara it's fine.
Toba khona next year.
Next year itoba khona.
Siyahamba na kanjani. Nje ngathi we've got stubborn faith.
Stubborn faith, yes.
Exactly.
Yebo vele. Okay, Bheka ngiyakuva konke lokushilo. Khona lofuna ukuyeda.
Into lengayisho nje ukuthi asithi committing in each and everything lesindako la ku team. If ubona ukuthi kulekha somewhere and you've got the experience or you can be a positive instrument of change with that department, offerisha your services, uyabona, because into lengichazako kuqala we had a challenge yokuthi uma kungekho bani into DM, we understand,
yes.
But nyalo into lengichazako noma ngabe let's say loyi one akekho una something lekufanele ayende on Saturday, the next person lokhona uyakhona ukuphusha lo msebenzi, uyabona. So we need people like that lokuthi asho ukuthi hey mina ngikhona. There's Ntokozo from Elikazi ude even a month akhona kuma law fellows. Mr. Mashaba ubhalile ngaye, I think ufakile group in I think last week or 2 weeks ago, ngiyabona. So khona la bebasbite khona kummeme Babaton. So she was hands on afika, yeah, understand. So there's something special ngayi sibonile ukuthi hayi la khona lokukhona, uyabona. So we need people like her ukuthi batoba instrument le positive kuphi eteamini, because siyalidzinga lishintsho la ngathi kulekho khona, because kumnanzi man if ngabe lethe ungekho ku podcast siyathi ukuthi kuna someone else lokukhoverisha and kungabonakala nokuthi awukho, yeah, understand, amsebentweni uqhubeke. So we need people like that lokuthi batosho ukuthi mina ngikhona ngicela ningisebenzise than ukuthi Mr. Mashaba athi hayi lapha siyalekha ngena, you understand. Akente njalo if abona ukuthi hayi man ngathi laba yabo bafuna net ukuphushwa ngoba i-potential ikhona. Exactly.
Okay, babukeli babemakhaya, njengoba nathi ukuthi thina silo Feldokers siyi-family to a point where sigcine sithi create lama group wethu nje, mina na Father Baker siku group ye Crazy Crew. Ungabuti ukuthi why mara siku group ye Crazy Crew.
Uyabo so bayotibuta ukuthi yini
Crazy Crew. And kude ma requirements ukuthi kumele ube nje uyangena nawo as long as unalesifo lesi. Wena nje vele sithi man lapha ka WhatsApp uthi nami ngifuna ngena man, leki indlela yabona nje lesihleka ngayo sikhipha nje ingcondo tesitukwethu into letiningi. Okay, mara namhla angikho lapho. Father Baker
batshela ukuthi Crazy Crew ngibhede ya Mr. Mashaba ngilebe isele bahambile.
Sihambile.
Hayi uhambile.
Isikolo singibambe ngemawashini. Mara ngiyathembisa nangicatha kubhala ngibuya nge-full force. Ngeke nibone nokuthi bengekho. Asikho lapho njengoba Father Baker beka gotshwa inceku
anako
sisethene asesimyendela lokunqane njenge Crazy Crew. Yabona ukuthi kumnanzi njani lapha ka Crazy Crew. Sicela sesiRebecca Mdluli ute ne gift ya Father Baker.
Crazy, man, sikume mntwana ngomzala sala.
Mara guys.
Family, sanibonani. Sawubona father.
I'm
Sorry. Surprise! So family yami lana ke sithunywe ngiyo iCrazy Create. Njengoba sisho ukuthi ka Lowveld Workers ngekupha awubuyi. Ethimini safundziswa ukuthi sithandzane size sindlulile, size sibukise kulithandvo lesinalo. Njengoba benibona last week emphathi wethu bekakhula wagive ama gifts nani style sethu ke leso la ekhaya. Nalokuhlanya kwethu kuhlanya kufike kule level le. But wethu thena kagcoka some of us unfortunately asikhona ukuthi simkhaphe but some of us bamkhaphile. But isithengeke man. Father agcoke angatholi lutho. Sathi ke sihlanganise lesihlanganisako simnike atokhona kubona ukuthi we appreciate you so much in as much as the crazy sinekuhlanya kwethu nani but qhubeka usilide. Sinhle le step losithathile, we love you so much and we respect le step losithethe. We believe ukuthi lapha kule Crazy Create mase sigwenja. Now we know ukuthi we have a person lotosibuyisele la yini. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyambonga uNkulunkulu ngawe Baker. We love you so much from the crazy crew of Lowveld Workers.
I'm speechless. Ngiswela amagwi okubonga. Lapha ku make you Matthew 7 verse 12 uthi ngako ke konke lenifisa ukuthi bakwende kini kwendeni nani kubo. So ngibonga kakhulu ngalawo magama ngifuna ukusho ukuthi siyifamily lesikwenda kulabanye nabo ba expect ukuthi sikwende kubo cause lokho kumthetho lovela kubani kuNkulunkulu ukuthi isandla siyahamba isandla siyabuya. So la kulo family Workers family sifundiswe lokho ukuthi siyapha. And the more you give, it's the more now you are going to receive. So ningende mundu today. Crazy crew. Yo, Nkosi. Yo.
Shem, Pastor wethu. Oh no, it's not one of the biggest mistakes. Gift yakho is a delay. We made a mistake tina. We were so excited mawugcoka sathi pastor. So my gift wakho angithi besifuna kwenza a unique gift.
Yeah.
Sabhala pastor.
The dog father.
Asayibuya lento lapha thiyathi no. Akusing pastor. Father. And there's a huge difference. Now we had to go back again. So
between the two.
Yeah. But ke ngabe kudzala yafika igift yakho besisalungisa lapho nalapha. But we thank God ukuthi finally sesikunikile. Mina ngiyaget crush ama podcast webantu vele nginje ujana wami.
Yabo.
Ngiyaqolisa ngathi sola.
So ke mawuhleti lapha ekhaya ungajoinanga iLowveld Workers mina I did not know ukuthi uhlaleleni lana uthola umndeni tihlobo bangani noma ngihambe yini nangabe uyahlanya bring your craziness lakithi sinel desk for that sihlanya kamnanzi la ekhaya kumnanzi kunjeya usahleleleni ngekho kuLowveld Workers athi ngiphume into entebani father siyabonga baba
Bonga mina. Yo,
Mara sayivala sesingayivala sonke.
Sasingayivala sonke njengomndeni. Okay. Angifixarile kuvaleni.
okay, crashing.
Crashile guys.
Guys,
Ya podcast ya
Singathi nokuthi ukhona ubuya kuphi sihleli kamnanzi yo.
Mara nama ngithi ngifake ispice, ngingila spice.
Okay.
Lowveld Workers spice.
6 guys.
Guys,
Dele
I'm
baba.
the woolies ke.
Dele baba. Okay, babukela bemakhaya from us city. Do not promise.
Commit. Nilungisen lama cultural outfits wini because next week it's going down. Fanele nitigcabe ke ngebuve benu. We love you all. Mwah.
Emake ngintombi sibe.
Ngintombi.
Emake ngintombi sibe. Ngintombi.
Hashtag Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lowfield Walkers Podcast, and this is Ntswaki Dlamini signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at CAP meeting. We will be celebrating Africa. It is an Africa Day, a celebration walk. Remember again to wear those vibrant African print, traditional textiles, or at least safari tones, or your black and white with a touch of your African culture. Now remember, we are honoring the continent's rich heritage and diversity by choosing garments that highlights cultural pride. So uma umgcikile black and white wakho ungasabi ke with a touch of what I've just mentioned. Asibonane ke Saturday, the aerobics are starting 4:45 and the walk is starting right after that. Mina nani asibonane khona this coming Saturday. Mwah, bye.